Okay, so now I have a geometric sequence, and I'm trying to find the 10th term. I'm going to do it two different ways. One, I'm going to do more kind of conceptual, kind of intuitive kind of way. Another way, I'm going to do it with formulas. So I know I have U2, U3, U4, and U5. Okay, and this is 2, and this is 16. And I have to take this and multiply by r one time, multiply by r a second time, and then multiply by an r a third time here. And so if I take 2 and multiply it by r 3 times, that's r cubed, I get 16. Divided by 2, so r cubed then is 8. Take the cube root, and then r is 2. Okay, so now I know I want to find the 10th term, so that means U10. Well, I have U6, U7, U8, 9, and 10. From U5, let me change colors here. I'm going to go 1R, 2 R's, 3 R's, 4 R's, 5 R's. So if I take my U5 term, which is 16, multiply it times 5 R's, I will get U sub 10. Well, that's 16 times 2 to the power 5, U10, which is then going to be, that's 16 times 32, which is then going to be 512. 512 is my U10. So that's kind of using the ideas, the concepts. Now, if I'm not into that and I want to use my formulas, another way I could do it is knowing that U2 equals 2. Well, from the formula book, I'm also told that UN equals U1 R to the n minus 1. So using that formula, I can say U2 equals 2 equals U1, which I do not know, R, which I do not know, n is 2 minus 1 to the power 1. So I know that 2 equals U1 R. Similarly, if I go U5, which I'm told is 16 from the problem, that's going to be the same as U1 R to the n minus 1, which is 4. And so now I have two equations. Here's one equation, here's another equation, and two unknowns. To solve these, what I can do is I'm going to put them above each other. I'm going to say that, well actually, what am I going to do? I got U1 and U1, I'm going to solve for U1. So U1 equals 2 divided by R. Here, U1 equals 16 divided by R to the 4th. They have to equal each other, so I can say that 2 over R equals 16 R to the 4th. I'm going to cross multiply. I get 2R to the 4th equals 16R. Divide both sides by R and by 2, which gives me then this cancels, that cancels, and I get R cubed is equal to 8. So R is equal to 2. Taking this, plugging it in here, I can then get U1 equals 2 over r, which is 2 over 2, which equals 1. So I know u1 equals 1, r equals 2, and I'm asked to find the 10th term, in the sequence. Well, u sub n equals u1 times, equals u1 times 2 to the n minus 1. This is the r term. So u sub 10 equals 1 times 2 to the 9th. 2 to the 9th is 512. So 2 different ways that you can think of doing this problem.